welcome back, y'all, with Lani, and today we have a unboxing video. This juicer was gifted to me. This juicer is called Whall. Oh my goodness. And of course, this is a masticating juicer, cold press masticating juicer. So meaning as it does not put heat when it extracts the juice from the fruits or vegetables. Oh, standard manual. Okay. Standard parts. Oh, this is new. That is so new. I gotta figure out what that is. Okay, of course it comes with the pusher, comes with the tray. I'm just so excited to open this. Okay, so it's green, and this cover is gray. Woo! This is so beautiful. Everything is hard plastic, so it's kid friendly, which I love. So I will go ahead and rinse off these parts, and then we will get started. So I'm back, and I just wanted to show you guys this. How they designed it is so sleek and modern. I love it. It does show you that the cup needs to go right here. So the one with the measuring, it needs to go right here. So this will actually catch the juice, and this will catch the fiber. Okay, so it says that it's quiet, that less oxidation. So we are looking for less oxidation. So I was just going to put it together, but let me go ahead and show you exactly how to put it together. You take this part, you take the hard agar, you put it in the hole. Okay, so this right here, you need to put it in this. So facing you, while this knob is facing that way, you put it in facing you and you turn up. Okay, and you hear the lock. So this button right here, it lets you know when it locks and unlocks. So when it's locked, it's out. When unlocked, is in. You press it down and you turn it. That's how you take it out and you put it back on. You press it unless you want to release it. So press it when you want to release it, and then you let it go. You put the strainer in, then you put the final piece. Twist it, make sure it locks. Okay, you gotta follow the arrows. It has an unlock to a lock. There you go, and you put this on. And this is the pusher. Okay, now let's listen. It's not loud. It's heavy, but it's not loud. So it has two main functions: reverse and on. On and reverse. The measuring cup goes right here. This will catch the poke. Pretty standard. You see that? Okay. Now for the fruits and vegetables. This is the Lani test. This is the Lani test. So you know I love my beets. This is something new. I don't kind of venture off with kale. I always use the dino kale, but this is a red kale. I left the stem on because the first time I did a review on a masticating juicer, I got the chopped kale and it did not juice anything. It did not yield anything. But this has the stem, so this is basically 1.5 leaf. So this is a one big leaf and a half leaf. So I just chopped it up. Apples, I chopped up the carrots. So this is 3 whole carrots, 1 apple, 3 stalks of celery, and 1 huge 89-cent cucumber. So these are exactly, and this is a small beet. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we are gonna start with the easiest one first. So let's start with apple. So we're gonna turn it on, get started. And I also forgot to mention that this is sold on Amazon currently right now for $399. And also this would need some prep time before you start juicing so it can fit into the mouth. You can literally see it going through. So if you see a piece of fruit or vegetable stuck, you can always press reverse. And you'll see the chunks coming. Okay, woo, this is pretty dry. Check it out. Let's see. It's pretty dry. This is a good color because the skin was up. Oh, let me see how much. This was one Honey Crisp apple. This was a large, and this made around less than 300 milliliter. It has a little bit oxidation. Some of the oxidation cannot be helped depending on the type of fruit or vegetables. Nice, sweet. With apples, I always need to add some water, but it's very nice and crisp. Moving on, let's start. I'm gonna end with the cucumber, so the cucumber can wash everything out. So my next one is the celery. I'm not gonna wash it out, I'm just gonna use the same. Okay, so that was 3 stalks of celery, and that made a little bit less than 5 ounces. The color is nice. And now let's do the taste test. Celery should be like a sweet taste. Okay, this is good. Tastes like water and like celery seeds. If you ever try celery seeds, so it tastes like water and celery seeds. I definitely can see myself drinking this. Something hard. Let's do carrots. That went by well. So 3 sticks of carrots, well, 3 carrots made exactly 100 milliliter. Nice orange color, and you can see the pulp. The pulp have little to less moisture, but again, this is pretty good. Like, do you see? Like, it's just like, it feels like sand. So that's really good. You can make carrot cakes with these, so do not throw these out. I'm gonna put this in my garden, but these are basically dry. Okay, now for the taste test. Fun fact, I like celery juice more than I like carrots. So, oh my goodness, this tastes so sweet. Y'all probably tired of me saying it, but listen, this tastes really good. If I had to do an order, it's the apple juice, the carrot, then the celery. I think the carrot juice is now my new favorite. just to clarify, it takes a lot of kale to make juice. So I'm even shocked that it even got to this much. It's way under 100 milliliter, but it's still something there versus just oxidation. So it does have a lot of oxidation in there, meaning as a lot of air got to it, but this is still good. You see that? It poured. Okay. Wow. The taste is very strong. Again, like I said, this is my first time trying red kale. I typically try downy kale. But do you see that? Do you see how much? It's almost the same size as the carrot. So this did its job. It did its job very well to have all of that. So I'm going to wash it down with some beets. Wow, this is awesome. This yields a lot of juice for one small beet. So this is a less than 100 milliliter. But again, this is the smallest beet that you can get in the bunch. So I chopped that up. Now let's do a taste test. It is expected for beets to have oxidation in it, but that's okay. This is a sweet, thick juice. I can drink this all day. All day. And the last but not least, let's try our cucumber. Oh, and you gotta do your video. You forgot? So this is what I mean by cleaning the juicer. This is cucumber, but it's red. So hopefully we can get a green juice instead of red. I did rinse this off so you can actually see the color of the cucumber. Okay, so have another cup here. So it just has a tint of red, but it's basically like a dark light green, if that makes any sense. Okay, so this made pretty much a lot, but I did break it up. So let me taste it first, then I can give you like a good estimate. This does a good job because this does not have a bitter aftertaste. And it tastes like cucumbers. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this up with this to see how much a large cucumber yield. It's above 200 milliliter. So this juiced a lot. So there you have it, guys. This is my review on the Whall